Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your murf.ai account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your murf.ai account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address murf.ai like this and hit on enter. And then guys, you should have been redirected to the home page of the murf AI, but guys, you can see there is the first result of Google, which is the murf AI. Simply click on that, and you can see guys, the web address has not changed, same, but I don't know why the Google was not taking it. And with that being said guys, we're on the home page of murf AI. From over here, to log into our account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login and the sign up button available. If you have not yet signed up for murf AI, simply click on the sign up button to go to sign up procedure of the murf AI in order to create your murf AI account. And that being said guys, just click on the login button like this. And over here guys, you can see there are three buttons available at the top: a manual login and login with enterprise SSO. If you click on either of these buttons, which is sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Slack, or login page to your Google, Microsoft, or Slack will open. And if you log into your respective accounts, then you'll be signed into your murf AI with these accounts respectively. And with that being said guys, same with the login with the enterprise SSO. If you click on that, login page to your enterprise SSO will open, and you'll have to go through the credential of your SSO. And by doing that, you'll be able to log into your murf AI's SSO or enterprise SSO account, but we'll be logging into murf AI with our manual email address. To do that, enter your email address over here guys, with which you have signed up for murf AI account like this. And after that, enter your password guys. And you can see guys, there is the forgot password button available over here. If you have forgotten your password, in order to retrieve it, you can go through the retrieval process of your password by clicking over here. And after entering your email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your murf AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.